Hello, guys. Revision mathematics paper 1 revision question 1 solve for x. So this question paper is for June 2023 under Limpopo Department of Education. It's a June exam, so from Limpopo Department of Education for grade 12s. So this is a solve for x, right, with the root of x minus 3 plus 3 equals to x. So with this equation, what you have to do to make it simple, take this 3 to this side. It's positive 3. When it jumps the equal sign, it becomes a negative 3. So now you're gonna have the root of x minus 3 the root of x minus 3 is equals to x minus 3, right? So here now you want to remove this square root right here, right? So you are going to square both sides of the equation. What you do on the left, you also do on the right. What you do on the left, you also do on the right. Then you square both sides. By squaring both sides, you are removing this square root here. Then you will be left with x minus 3 equals to, add this, it means that they are double x minus 3 into x minus 3. So now you are going to multiply these ones. It's going to be x squared, x times x, it's x squared, x times negative 3, it's negative 3x. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x, right? So now negative 3 times negative 3 is plus 9. And here you still have x minus 3. So now I'm going to take this x minus 3 to the side. It's going to be, we are going to be left with 0 on the left side. And then when x jumps to that side, it's gonna be positive, negative. Okay, let me rewrite this one first. Let me first rewrite this whole thing before I can. Okay, so I'm gonna take this x, I'm gonna take this x here, and when it jumps to this side here, is gonna be negative x, because it was positive. Now it has jumped the equal sign, right? So now I'm gonna take this negative 3 to this side. When it jumps the equal sign, it becomes positive 3, right? So I'm going to add the like terms. The like term of x squared, we do not have it, it's x squared. Just write x squared. The like term of 3x is 3x, negative 3x minus 3x, and this negative x here. So it's going to be negative 3x minus x. It's going to be negative 7x. You added the like terms. So the like term of 9 is 3. And it's going to be 9 plus 3. It's 9 plus 3. So it's going to be 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 plus 3 is 12. So now you are solving for x, right? So now you are going to find the factors of this equation of x squared minus 7x plus 12. You are going to find the factors. You factorize. So here we're going to have x times x. When you multiply x by x, you get x squared. So the numbers that we're going to have here, when you multiply them, they must give you positive 12. The numbers that you're going to have here, when you multiply them, they must give you 12. When you minus them, when you subtract those, or when you add them, those two numbers here, when you add them, they must give you negative 7. So it's going to be 4 and 3. It's going to be 4 and 3. They give us 12. But here we have a negative. So meaning they must both carry negative, and also this one must carry a negative, because we now know that negative times negative will give us this positive. So you're gonna have negative 4, negative 3. So negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. But negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So our factors are correct. So now you solve for x. You say x minus 4 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. Right, so here it's x, you solve